our college, we had guest speakers who came from industry, and they were focusing on how important it is to learn about cloud computing in this era. And when I was getting interested in cloud computing, we got the opportunity from TalentSprint through our college, and that's how I got into it. We are very new to this environment, feels where the sitting arrangement, it's completely different from academic. Honestly, when I first heard the words hands-on, I was not very sure what it refers to, but once we started the program and once we were going through all the classes, so it's not just about the theory. Once we are done with the theory, they ask us to execute it, to run whatever we know, and to explore. It's more about not just doing what we know, it's more about exploring whatever the available options are. Managing the classes along with my academics, it was a little bit hectic in the beginning. First, it was a little bit difficult because we were confused either to focus on the TalentSprint or on our academics. But now we got a hunch of how we are supposed to balance both of them. I felt like this opportunity was given to me, and I am enjoying this. So of course, if my juniors are interested in any programs related to TalentSprint, I would definitely recommend them.